let's try to define a micro niche. What is micro niche? So micro niche is a niche within your business where you can stand out as a leader and get noticed. A specialty that you excel at because no one else offers a unique approach or specialized expertise that they do. By following your micro niche is how you tell the world that you are different and position yourself differently. I've seen a lot of people, especially real estate consultants, generally they attend all kind of customers who are looking for affordable homes or rental properties or luxury homes in multiple micro markets for various kind of builders. They do projects. So they never say no to any of the customers. They do everything. If the customer comes and asks for a pre-lease property, they'll say, okay, I'll get you some interesting deals. Even if pre-lease property is not their area of expertise. So they don't work only in the area of expertise. They do each and everything that is being offered to them on the table. So they'll call up other consultants and try to figure out some deals. Problem with this approach is that when you try doing everything, you're not able to make your space and are not able to establish your credibility and expertise. To become an expert, you need to spend hell lot of time in that particular niche. Let's try to understand what are the advantages of choosing a micro niche. Micro-niching is a smart strategy for solo business owners. Rather than trying to be all things to all people, you focus your time and energy on doing one thing extremely well. You aim to be the best in your region at one main specialty. Again, working in the micro-niche makes you stand out and look credible. Basically, you need to identify your micro-niche because A, it increases your brand loyalty. B, you would be able to get better insight and more expertise when you focus on your niche. And C, there will be less competition in your micro niche. Now, one thing is identifying a micro niche. Another important thing is to position yourself well in that market niche. Now, you need to reach out to your prospects and hit them regularly with innovative content and share your knowledge around that micro niche and establish yourself as a subject matter expert in the chosen niche. Let me just share with you what is the niche of our company. I propose Marcom. Like we are a digital marketing company and we work for a lot of real estate clients. So our niche is digital marketing for real estate clients or lead generation for real estate clients. That is our niche. So we do not do e-commerce. We are not a digital marketing company selling online shirts. We are not expert in that. Our expertise is lead generation and doing digital marketing for real estate clients. That is our expertise. This is how we have created a niche for ourselves. By positioning ourselves as a digital marketing company for real estate, we have been able to establish ourselves as a brand in the real estate industry. We have served more than 400 plus real estate clients and have managed more than 8,000 campaigns across multiple digital platforms and have generated more than 8 lakh leads for real estate projects. By consciously selecting and working in our chosen niche, we have got good insights about this industry, and this is the genesis of this course. Okay, now let's discuss few of the micro niche examples in your real estate industry. Being a real estate consultant, you might say, like, let me lead only in offices in this particular micro location, and your niche could be a retail shop in that particular location. Why not warehouses? It could be another niche. There's so many consultants, they deal in pre-lease commercial space. Why not we do only pre-lease commercial spaces? What about residential plots? Can I consider commercial plots as my niche? Are there enough service apartments? Can I choose service apartments in particular location as my niche? There is a lot of trend these days of co-working space. Can it be my niche? Co-living space, another upcoming niche. Some people might choose, let me deal only in ready to move in property. Some consultants might choose, let me deal only in ready to move in properties. And again, everything talking about a specific location. Why not do only affordable homes? What about only renting, and that too only renting in a posh apartments? Let's see what else can be a micro niches. You can only deal in maybe luxury homes. You can say I'll be dealing only in penthouses, I'll be doing only distressed deals. Maybe I'll be dealing with international properties. Why not only villas? Maybe what about farmhouses? What about second homes? There's a lot of demand for second home these days. Your niche might be that you want to sell real estate properties only while doing events. Choose senior living or assisted living as your niche. What about doing property management for NRIs or expats? You might choose sea-facing properties or park-facing properties in a specific location. You might choose doing only society shops or clinic spaces or school lands. So all these can be micro niches. I have given you enough food for thought. Now spend some time with yourself and introspect. What are your strengths, your team strengths, your expertise that you would like to leverage? What is that niche where you are confident that you can deliver better than others? It's an important subject and strategic call. Take some time and discuss with your team. It's very critical to find your niche, else you'll get lost and it will be very difficult for you to establish yourself as a brand. I'm sure you'll be able to carve your niche and do justice in that particular niche and establish yourself as a brand. Best wishes once again.